Before you spend your money on this Amazon product, here's the honest breakdown you actually need. Today we're diving deep into the Bissell PowerClean DualBrush 4196K, a vacuum that promises powerful cleaning without the premium price tag. But here's the surprising fact, despite its 280W motor, its true strength lies not just in power, but in its intelligently designed DualBrush system and self-standing convenience, delivering a thorough, fuss-free clean that rivals more expensive models for everyday messes. Many overlook corded uprights in favor of cordless, but for consistent, deep floor cleaning, this Bissell often punches above its weight. So, what exactly is the Bissell PowerClean DualBrush 4196K? It's a robust 280-watt corded, self-standing upright vacuum cleaner from Bissell, a household name renowned for durable and effective floor care solutions. This particular 4196K model is meticulously engineered to deliver consistent, powerful suction across a diverse range of floor types, excelling on everything from low-pile carpets and area rugs to delicate hardwood and tile. Crucially, as a corded unit, it completely eliminates the common anxiety of battery life and fading power, ensuring uninterrupted, full-strength cleaning. It's purpose-built for homeowners who demand a dependable solution for everyday dirt, fine dust, stubborn debris, and especially pervasive pet hair. Its design philosophy centers on simplifying your entire cleaning routine, offering versatile performance that not only tackles messes effectively without breaking the bank but also provides that reassuring, consistent power for a truly thorough clean, every single time you use it. Now, let's break down the key features that truly make this vacuum stand out and why they matter to you. 1. Revolutionary dual brush roll system ***. This isn't just one brush, it features two specialized, independently rotating brush rolls working in tandem. One brush is precisely engineered with stiffer bristles to effectively agitate and lift deeply embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets, reaching down into the fibers. The second brush, with softer, more gentle bristles, is dedicated to carefully sweeping and polishing hard floors, preventing scratches while gathering fine dust and debris. This intelligent synergy means you don't need to manually switch heads or attachments when transitioning from your plush rug to your pristine hardwood floor. The vacuum automatically optimizes its action, providing an efficient, deep clean across diverse surfaces with minimal effort and maximal protection for your flooring. It eliminates guesswork and ensures comprehensive cleaning every time. 2. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.